Hi, I'm Magnus. Sometimes I need to tap the wood to accept these machine screws. And I've seen there are some you can buy already made, but I prefer to make my own for several reasons. And if you want to see how I made them, just keep watching. You could use regular taps that normally used for metal, but there's some issues with that. They are made for a little bit bigger holes because you need to have more play when you're working with metal. The other thing is that you use oil or cutting fluid when you tap metal. And you don't want that in contact with wood because you don't want to contaminate it. Taps for wood is rather expensive and are not easy to find locally, at least not where I live. But the most important reasons for making your own is, well, it's cheaper, but it's more convenient as well. You can make these taps for any kind of threads that you want, any size, according to any standard. The only thing you need is an extra screw of the kind you're planning to use and add some modifications to it. Then you're good to go. So, basically, you need a screw of the same kind we're going to use. First we make a couple of grooves with like a Dremel, angle grinder, hacksaw or file along the length of the screw. Then you just taper the end of it and once again use the weapon of choice. I use a belt sander. Voila! Your brand new tap is ready to use. Measure the size of the center part of the screw and find the drill bit that matches. Drill your hole and then tap it. It's just as simple as that. Then you have a very nice threaded holes in your piece. If you want to see more content like this, just let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. And you can always follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.